I was busy plus verb-ing. I was busy editing a video. I was busy washing my car. I was busy washing my dog. I was busy painting my nails. I was busy doing yoga to relax. I was busy painting my toenails. I was busy painting my toenails. I was busy writing a short story. I was busy fixing a leaky faucet. I was busy sewing a new outfit. I was busy composing a poem. I was busy planning a road trip. I was busy making a scrapbook. I was busy repairing my bicycle. I was busy repairing my bicycle. I was busy assembling furniture. I was busy writing in my journal. I was busy designing a website. I was busy knitting a cozy scarf. I was busy organizing my closet. I was busy hiking up a steep hill. I was busy repairing a leaky roof. I was busy cleaning out my attic. I was busy practicing a card trick. I was busy fixing a broken window. I was busy hiking in the mountains. I was busy watching a foreign film. I was busy teaching a dance class. I was busy practicing a magic trick. I was busy researching a new topic. I was busy composing a love song. I was busy composing a love song. I was busy cleaning out my garage. I was busy baking a homemade pie. I was busy setting up a garage sale. I was busy practicing my golf swing. I was busy watching a documentary. I was busy cooking a gourmet meal. I was busy planning a surprise party. I was busy washing my car's interior. I was busy crafting a homemade gift. I was busy watching a classic movie. I was busy organizing my bookshelf. I was busy practicing my guitar skills. I was busy taking care of my sick pet. I was busy practicing yoga in the park. I was busy doing a crossword puzzle. I was busy cleaning out my basement. I was busy cleaning the house all day. I was busy gardening in my backyard. I was busy tutoring a student in math. I was busy practicing my tennis serve. I was busy exploring a new hiking trail. I was busy reading a captivating novel. I was busy baking a batch of cupcakes. I was busy baking a batch of cupcakes. I was busy practicing my archery skills. I was busy writing a poem about nature. I was busy tutoring a student in history. I was busy composing a piece of music. I was busy planning a backpacking trip. I was busy organizing my digital photos. I was busy designing a logo for a client. I was busy studying for my final exams. I was busy volunteering at a food bank. I was busy sewing a costume for a play. I was busy tutoring a student in science. I was busy making homemade candles. I was busy fixing a broken bicycle chain. I was busy cooking a fusion cuisine dish. I was busy researching historical figures. I was busy cooking a 3-course meal. I was busy practicing a new magic trick. I was busy practicing my karate moves. I was busy cooking dinner for my family. I was busy planting roses in my garden. I was busy studying a foreign language. I was busy washing and waxing my car. I was busy making a delicious smoothie. I was busy making a delicious smoothie. I was busy planting herbs in my garden. I was busy working on a project for work. I was busy babysitting my cousin's twins. I was busy designing a flyer for an event. I was busy running errands around town. I was busy hiking through a dense forest. I was busy planting flowers in my garden. I was busy planting flowers in my garden. I was busy painting a beautiful landscape. I was busy practicing my soccer dribbling. I was busy mowing the lawn this morning. I was busy practicing my basketball skills. I was busy babysitting my neighbor's kids. I was busy cooking a gourmet Italian meal. I was busy baking a homemade apple pie. I was busy watching a nature documentary. I was busy babysitting my friend's newborn. I was busy volunteering at the local shelter. I was busy setting up a science experiment. I was busy editing photos from my vacation. I was busy practicing my kickboxing moves. I was busy watching a wildlife documentary. I was busy fixing a malfunctioning computer. I was busy fixing a malfunctioning printer. I was busy fixing a malfunctioning printer. I was busy cleaning out my cluttered garage. I was busy babysitting my cousin's children. I was busy creating a presentation for work. I was busy planting vegetables in my garden. I was busy volunteering at an animal shelter. I was busy planning a cross-country road trip. I was busy fixing a leaky faucet in the kitchen. I was busy fixing a leaky faucet in the kitchen. I was busy setting up a chemistry experiment. I was busy practicing mindfulness meditation. I was busy baking cookies for a charity event. I was busy writing code for a software project. I was busy babysitting my niece and nephew. I was busy making handmade greeting cards. I was busy making a delicious smoothie bowl. I was busy writing a heartfelt letter to a friend. I was busy knitting a baby blanket for a friend. I was busy creating a detailed financial report. I was busy volunteering at a homeless shelter. I was busy volunteering at a children's hospital. I was busy sewing a costume for a school play. I was busy sewing a costume for a school play. I was busy creating a spreadsheet for a project. I was busy composing a melody for a new song. I was busy composing a melody for a new song. I was busy practicing my martial arts techniques. I was busy cleaning out my cluttered attic space. I was busy planting vibrant flowers in my garden. I was busy cooking a mouth-watering Thai curry. I was busy planting exotic orchids in my garden. I was busy hiking up a challenging mountain trail. I was busy volunteering at a local animal rescue. I was busy creating a spreadsheet for my budget. I was busy hiking through a serene national park. I was busy tutoring a student in English literature. I was busy tutoring a student in advanced physics. I was busy hiking up a challenging mountain peak. I was busy watching a classic black and white film. I was busy painting a mural in a community center. I was busy doing a crossword puzzle with a friend. I was busy painting a mural in a community center. I was busy doing a crossword puzzle with a friend. I was busy planning a solo backpacking adventure. I was busy babysitting my friend's energetic triplets. I was busy organizing my collection of vinyl records. I was busy tutoring a student in advanced chemistry. I was busy organizing my collection of antique coins. I was busy setting up a complex science experiment. I was busy baking a batch of chocolate chip cookies. I was busy baking a batch of chocolate chip cookies. I was busy setting up a complex science experiment. I was busy babysitting my neighbor's energetic twins. I was busy researching the history of art movements. I was busy creating an intricate financial spreadsheet. I was busy composing a heartfelt song for my partner. I was busy writing a heartfelt letter to a distant relative. I was busy writing a heartfelt letter to a long-lost friend. I was busy writing a heartfelt letter to my grandparents.